Cross-tabulation is a fundamental statistical technique used to analyze relationships between categorical variables. It organizes data into tables to reveal patterns and associations that might not be immediately obvious. Cross-tabulation works with categorical variables, data that falls into distinct categories or groups. Examples include gender with categories like male and female, age groups such as 1825 or 2635, and product types like A, B, or C. A contingency table organizes data into rows and columns. This example shows the relationship between gender and hand preference. Each cell contains the frequency count for that specific combination, like 12 left-handed females out of 120 total females. In cross-tabulation, we distinguish between independent and dependent variables. Independent variables are the presumed causes or factors we think might influence outcomes. Dependent variables are the presumed effects or outcomes we want to understand. The chi-square test is commonly used with cross-tabulation to determine statistical significance. It tells us whether the observed relationship between variables is likely due to chance or represents a real association in the population. Cross-tabulation is widely used across multiple fields. In market research, it helps analyze consumer behavior and preferences. Social scientists use it to study relationships between demographic factors and social outcomes. Business analysts apply it to understand customer segments and operational patterns. Cross-tabulation is a powerful tool for uncovering hidden patterns and relationships in categorical data, making it essential for data-driven decision-making across many disciplines. Cross-tabulation has powerful applications across many industries. In market research, companies analyze consumer behavior by cross-tabulating demographic data with product preferences to understand their target markets. Here's a real example showing how cities relate to favorite baseball teams. This cross-tabulation reveals regional preferences and helps businesses understand geographic market segments. Software companies use cross-tabulation to refine their products by analyzing customer survey responses. They cross-tabulate user demographics with feature usage and satisfaction levels. This sales analysis shows products cross-tabulated by regions. Companies can identify which products perform best in different markets and adjust their strategies accordingly. Public health researchers examine healthcare access patterns by cross-tabulating demographic variables with health outcomes and service availability across different populations. Cross-tabulation is evolving rapidly with new technological advances. Several key trends are shaping its future development and applications. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being integrated with cross-tabulation to automatically identify patterns and relationships that might be missed through traditional analysis. Cross-tabulation tools are being adapted to handle big data, allowing researchers to analyze vast datasets and derive deeper insights from massive amounts of information. Modern cross-tabulation results are being integrated with advanced data visualization tools, creating interactive dashboards and richer visual representations of data relationships. Automation is making cross-tabulation more user-friendly and efficient. Future tools will cater to broader audiences beyond just researchers and statisticians. Cross-tabulation is being combined with predictive analysis tools, helping businesses move beyond understanding current patterns to forecasting future trends and making informed strategic decisions. Cross-tabulation remains a fundamental analytical tool that continues to evolve with technological advances, becoming more powerful, accessible, and insightful for users across all industries.